Tabwera ndi vanokota sega andalewa. Ineyo, I have been telling you people. Andale ndi anthu oyipa. I've been telling you 24/7/365. Give me a credit. Yeah? I've been telling you, andale. Andale. Andale ndi anthu oyipa. I have made that noise 24/7/365. Anthu mabwera ma comment section kunditukwana. Many of you have said bad words. Many of you called me a hule, a Malawi. I don't mean no harm to any Malawian. No. And you know why I choose to keep quiet? Because the way MCP, abo Vitumbiko Mumba, abo Kunkuyu, I'm sure Kunkuyu is already out of the country, misinformation. Minister of Misinformation, Black Box, is already out of the country. I believe so. Chikoti, my teacher, they were from TikTok. You're welcome here. You understand? So I'm thinking, Mr. Kunkuyu is already out of the country. He cannot miss it. That one is misinformation. So, I don't want to talk about it, but I'm waiting to see who is going to win. Then I'm going to come. I'm going to talk about it, and I'm going to laugh at you, Malawians. Because the way MCP is confused is the way Abo Vitumpiku Mumba, Abo this woman, Jesse Kabwila, they are confused. It's the way every Malawian is confused. You know why? We are so desperate. Amarawi, we are so desperate. As much as I know we want change. But imagine, ineyo, ndisanze. Kena kondibwele nziti ya izine zinyambita. Masanzo wanga. This is where we are. And, you know, as much as I want to talk about it, I would love if 5 or 6 Malawians can understand my message and get my point, what I'm talking about. Because sometimes you just hate a person for no reason, without knowing that God might use this very same person. Many people don't know that. God can use me. I'm telling you, this is the truth. Because my heart is not like my outside. I know my outside. You might think I'm angry. I'm not angry. Because that's what you think. Miserable people, that's what they think. But we know again, I am okay. You get my point. I am beautifully and wonderfully made. How do you know you're beautiful? Your heart. You're hurting. Are you doing, when you look at the 10 commandments, that the do's and the don'ts, are you following? Are you not a lawbreaker? Do you do this? Do you don't do this? You hear me say so. So, in a way, ndikufuna nditakuseka na Malawi at a high level. Why? Amalawi vuto lathu sikusintha lidala. Ine nakuza nigale, Angela, you've been on my page, you've been international. Ndakhala ndikuza nina kuti, give me MCP, I'm okay. Give me UTM, give me DPP, give me whatever you can give me, I'm okay. But let us hold everyone accountable. Andale amakakamira pampando chifukwa cha chani. Andale amakakamira pampando chifukwa chano kuti akatenga udindo, they don't understand ntchito yawo. They abuse the powers of the office. Number 1, by Kuba. Number 2, they abuse the powers of their office by, we have many killings. We have many murderers out there that are supposed to be held accountable. Not only that, andale ndi antonena kuna kuti ambiri mwayo, if you check properly, kuskulu sana biteko, they are just loved by their community, which is, to me, somebody like me who is alive and understand life, I'm telling you it's okay. Because it's not the paper. That paper is just a paper, just to be there. Just, it's a qualification. But then, with that qualification, If you don't put, like we all, like God has blessed us naturally with the intelligence. You get my point? If you don't put it into action, then that paper is useless. That's why you can see, as in right now, these Andale Banobo, to somebody like me, they look useless. Amumba Avitumbiko Mumba. You don't know, Ineo, how much I respected that guy, despite whatever the things that you could hear about Amumba. I respect Amumba because my husband did too. Loves that guy. Sis, you know why? Because I've been crying out. Kuti amalawa amenali ma companies akuvutika, and nobody was there to come out to help them. Manganya amene ujayali department imene yoyo anthu aja kupeleka nkhani manganya uyu Michael was not going there. But kulowa kwa Vitumbiko Mumba anapita ndikukamva kulira kwa amalawa. You get my point? And I respected him. And anthu ambiri amene mukudziwa ine I come out ndikuzale mekezota Vitumbiko mwachita mwagwira ntchito. Koma desperation yawo panopo yosavomeleza, you can see even the face chimene safuna kuvomerezera anthu andichani. As much as I know kunena kuti it's the worst thing to bring anthu amene anatipangisa to be where we are today. Because for Malawians to be where we are today is because of DPP. They messed up big time. And that one is history. Amene makonda DPP ka MCP, just listen, it's not time kuti muzitukwana ngati tiya ndani mai uja akungotukwana anthu aja. She is also affected. She has to understand this. It's not time to fight. A fellow citizen cannot fight another citizen. No. It is time a citizen with a citizen to hold hands, because under the Wendamos, they flock together. Inuyo inundi nanzanga tima beziko nuchu kumenya na tukangana iwo watu, they hang out together kumakanya makeke limozi. They do. This into some message is so, because at the end of the day, what we want for Malawi is inedika magula bread. Nzanga iswa kulija bread. That is it. If you're managing to buy car, Nzanga iswa one day should manage to go and ask the price of the car and start saving. She can also what? She can also buy. That's what we want for Malawi. But when you look at these people that are fighting right now, mwatibera mavoti, maba mavoti, kodi ilo. From the 10th June, I want to remind MCP. Ndi our in our Atos Alliance. Because in about MCP, I know Malawians never voted for MCP. From the 10th. Mumbange follow misonkano imena mapita achakwira. Kunali kutawa not kuyendesa ngalimbola. Kunali kudukwa nidwa. And even for the people that are voting, good casting vote, if you are telling me, my vote was pesa achakwera. Ngokuba. Because from the 10th June, muntu amene ali ndi nzeru, they could not hold nobody accountable. They could not tell the truth about the commission of inquiry. They could not do anything. Where are they getting courage to stand in Kumati and Hatibera? I'm wondering, when I'm saying dead walking zombies, there, you have them. Dead walking zombies. Useless Malawian men. As a secondary. They have no soul. They have no shame when they're doing their stuff. They have no... And let me tell you, a Malawi spirit osafuna to hold people accountable. If you look closely, my video are ole mikizega amini wawa alipo andana mugute achakwera. Are you asking yourself ukuthi koma awawa ndachakwera adi? Are you asking yourself? Is that man Liru Chakwera? Because we might think we are dealing with Chakwera. Can Chakwera also name and the victim? You know the problem? We don't investigate. You know the problem? You and me, we don't want to hold people accountable. My video aku mamali zero Chakwera. Aku allegedly ngati chiroboti cha useless. Ndeta tieni, for some of us who live by history, we should take from what we call, from where the bill, that 97 point something billion, is it 67.3 billion, even in Anusa of State House. Who followed up that money? Drama allegedly, I was ku TikTok the other day. Kukumveka kunena kuti kuli Nigeria mina kupanga operate ma computer mina kuchi. Amalawi, we can hear that. As we can hear Michael Usi speaking about it, but it rejected. We are quiet, like we can't hear. Look at Michael Usi, how he's struggling to say Antoine. No one is concerned to stand up. When someone stand up, you find that whereby to me, somebody like me, and I don't have a problem, I got in yellow side now. That's what I always tell you people. What you let you are, which many women selling natural. To me, that is. Ngatikuli kutukwana, ana tukwana ndamena napeleka zina. Cause ni chimozi mozi ukamachula bele, timachula bele. Why when somebody is mentioning bele, sumu na kuli kutukwana? Why when somebody is mentioning mulomu chako, sumu na kuli kutukwana? Mpuno yomwe munaichula ya mpuno. Izi ziwiti zopumilezi, munaichula mpuno. Izi zonera unazichula maso. That's a name that was given. So ine muntu akamachula kaya muti kaya ni machendera munachula jani zimene zoso. That's what you mentioned. But many people in reality, they don't want to hear that. You think you live in heaven, but you are living in hell because because you fail to understand simple things and you stand up and attack things that you're not supposed to attack. You hear me say so? So malawanza inende ndiprete lalitali kwambiri. Because I remember 2019 when the TPEX happened, ineyo malaivanga ngoti pejija inapita. What was it 2019? I was saying, guys, it is good to live omwewa muguti abawa. I think in dramas many abawa, so as you people were saying, it is too much. I don't think you could muntu they can just continue mangoba. Kwinako as vanga fix. Tieni just see. Amalawa kemna exactly the way it is happening today. To me, it's okay. I understand. It's okay. It's okay. You see me. Me when you see me. You bring anyone. I'm not scared of anyone. Any part, I'm not scared of it. But we should remember what nobody is above the law. That is what we should use. When they go in those offices, they have to understand nobody is above the law, number one. Number two, there is no law where there is no tumbuka. You are dealing with Malawians. You have sworn to save Malawians. And who are those Malawians? Those are the tumbukas, the Lomwes, the Yawos, the what. As you are a leader, you're going to treat them the same. Not only favoring your side. Who are those Malawians? Amamina, Ogenda, Otukwana, people like me. Chipidoshi, Chachimandi Nyasa. Akunena kutindima Nyasa yo, anyenga nanda abwana mu office make. Pidoyo, amango nyenga nanda munake. Anena kuti chimene chija chimandi Nyasa cha satanic chimene chija. Nzimaye ndito. Alindana atatu asibambo siyana. Chimene chija chimandi Nyasa, chikati chinyase nkope, chimphuno chake chija. Atero yosanda kalowa nchechi. Adi kumampemphera Mulungu. Nde you think Mulungu yakuyankha. Ukumunena nzako amene analengedwa ndi Mulungu. God loves everyone. So we should learn from history. Pazimene zikuchitika. Every Malawian I strongly believe kunena kuti we are all fighting for one goal. And what is that goal? Better life. That is it. We all want better life. So we need to agree. Nakandi kunena isimizika against Andalewa. I knew what I was saying. It was not me. Some of us, the things that we come here, despite inendochimwa, inendimavomera, inendipondi satana. Because mukawerenga Bible inalembedwa ndi anthu licha. Anthu amene anabwera sawo. Chifukwa Bible limene lijalo linasinthidwa. The little Bible linasinthidwa zinthu zambiri. So limene linabweresedwa licha linalembedwa zona kuti izizi zimene ndayika anthu mwanga sinsolesedwa. Anthu anabweresawo, anabwera kuzatiresa, iwo nkumapitiriza kuzipanga izizi. You hear me say so? So that's why the correction I've been saying, when you are reading a Bible, read it with what? Sober mind. You hear me say so? So today, just looking at what is happening, going around, looking at us Bangkok, Malawi, I feel sorry. I think they really don't understand. What is the goal? The goal is, okay, I'll give you an example. What is the goal? The goal is to make sure everyone has food on the table. That's where we start. But Adimak is very expensive. A poor person from the village cannot buy a bag of maize. It's 75,000. Today I was asking, it's 75,000 a bag of maize. So let's think about a grandmother who don't have work, who don't have nothing. They just depending on going to the dam, going to the garden. They will take their vegetables from there. Think about those people. This is why who is the government? The government are those people you are abusing. The government are those people you are making them to struggle even to buy a packet of sugar. That's the government. That's why you have seen today, you go out of your comfort zone after choosing you for 5 years. Now you're going back to them. Vote for me. If you vote for me, I will change this. If you vote for me, I will do this. If you vote for me, I will do this. Why? Because politicians, those are the real bosses. Those are the real people that can decide to put them there or not. So it's the responsibility of Malawians to hold them accountable. But what's happening in Malawi right now, when these politicians took over, they feel like they can control everyone. So the police is in their armpit. The army imakala wonkwaba kwao. Pali ponse waja, judiciary, they put it in their armpit. So, one day winner aliese have to understand. Kunena kuti, you are there to save Malawians. You understand? You are there to save Malawians. You are not there, mukangofika, muliko iniyo ma MP ndi ma ministers, tima kuziwa anitu, timaziwa, timasiya dala. Ife timahamva, timango kala chete. Mumakatenga tiana tatingono, ta 17 years. Tiana tatingono, and now because desperation, they are from poor families. Kumango kusatani nkumavula nditu nkumavulira ana. Chifua mulindi ndalama. Understand life. Mwana wanzanu mukampeza panjira. Akupempa mamuona ndo sauka. Tenga ni drama mumpase. And don't expect anything in return. You are representing God. That's why God blessed you. That's why God chose you. That's why God chose you. That's why God allowed people to point your name and cast a vote on you. Because He wants you to represent Him. Not by using your private party. That is a private party. Close your zip. Ma MP ambirinu, ma cabinet, ma minister, ma chane ambirinu, ma office mungangona zimai ainyake. You have no respect. You want to enter in their skirts. If you want to promote them, I've been talking about this. You have no respect. Nkazi Nzungu, hey, I see you. You want kulowa masikete mwazi. You think about ndinkazi wanu wina waka kumugona. Chifuko choti iniyo muli pa udindo. Munga mvibanje. That's not godly. So these are the things that are happening in Malawi. So, mukama chuza Malawi. I know how badly everybody want DPP to come back. But tisaiwalile kunena uti. We are where we are today because of DPP. And that DPP, ngati akulowadi ndiwo, akuyeneleka to clear their mess that they have been doing. And ineyo, especially someone like me, ineyo ndikudikira ma alesti oda chitika mbili. Kulinkaniza mbili zoti ine I will jump up. Kuti I should follow. Kulinkaniza achina witika. Kulinkaniza mbili antu ambili anapewa. Antu ambili afantawi iyi yato alliance. And nobody was held accountable. Why? Because achakwera, I don't know ngatala, you are achakwera. could not hold nobody accountable. Izo akuti MP wina ndewa pengisa kamwana atu oho. And kamwana ko, how old is kamwana ko? You find out that is a minor. That's the story that I was talking the other day. There is a certain a man who is working under social welfare. Third time now. This is the third time. Akugwididi. Endama kapeleka ndram. Failo yake kupita ineyo ndi organization katu kuti tikapange apiru mafailo kusowa. Antu amene mmagwira ntchito ku court. Antu amene mmagwira ntchito ku court. You need to respect yourself. You're representing God. And if you think kunena kuti now this is the time you are eating money, Kama is a biatch. Kama will never miss your great grandchildren. Kama will never miss your 4th generation. Continue hiding those viruses. Continue moving up and down. What to do, Katangale? Instead of standing in the gap and saying, no, Katangale. You will see, you will face it. Ndiye mukao nandalewa kuteko no kasumu kuzifuza kuti why are these people taking so long? Why are these people fighting? Why antu awawa they are alipamipando wako makuta akutibela mafoto? Why are they fighting? They are fighting to come to continue stealing. These people are thieves. Ichichi malawina aliyesa chike mutumake whether you want it or not. Kaya iniyo masapota DPP kama masapota UTM kama masapota Chande. Muchiike chikazikike mutumano mumumvesere what I'm saying. And while they are fighting to come and continue stealing. You hear me say so? Thieves that are supposed to be in jail. That is the truth about this matter here. That's why you see because they are beneficiaries of Kuba. People that are supposed to be in jail. You know why? Kundede kujakula tuamena namba chimanga. Chifukwacha antuameni wao. Kuma pachirungamo deep down atuoso Kuba. Njala inangu wapola. But alibe mbale mboma. Nchino izizi amale mbana ukaukatu. And wina aliyesa mena kuwina panopo. Amalawi muchiziwe. Ungomva kunena kuti kaya ndikupolisa kutenga na ukauka. Malawians should stand up and do my demonstrations. Chifukwa kupolisa kumapita ntopanda ma certificate. Chifukwa ali mbali wa uchade. Pamene muntu wina wake wako musalibe mbali akukanika kumulemba ndi certificate. This is what is happening. These are the things that Malawians we should not concentrate on. Okay, we want our kubwera mboma. Koma akubwera ndipo amene amabwera panopo pamafundika by signing. Kuti if you fail to do this, what we are signing here, you will cost your family. This is what andale yako malawa akufunika because they are dead walking zombies. Ndi anthu okufa angosauta kagidwe. They have no heart for the nation. That's the truth about it. But this is what you Malawians don't want to hear. You just want to change. What are you changing if you cannot fight corruption? What are we changing? Because we have to understand. But if we still have the same system, we are doing nothing. We are doing nothing. So, whosoever is going to win, thank you. You failed us from the 10th June. You could not give us no sheet of information. You failed to do the right thing as a president. You have failed many times. We need to hold them accountable. Ziko limene mulikatangale. Olomuta sinta malida 100 billion times. It's just the waste of your energy, time, and my resources for nothing. Because they will continue doing it. Hey! Ndentinena. Antu awawa ukamaya ngana. Ndikumazifusa kodabali. Antu awawa eti. Nimena lilimu. The poor people from the villages, when they look at them, mama tinda antu ochita bwino, right? Eh? their faces. When you look at them, you wonder, who are these people? I don't want to speak in a physical way. I want to speak in a spiritual way. Come on. God manifest. Manifest God. Excuse me. Manifest God, manifest. I want to speak in, because in Eyo, I respect humanity. In a simple never no. No. I'm not special than the other person. I'm the same as in you, Mada. I am the same as in you. I am the same as in Chakwera. I'm the same as in Peter Mutarika. Peter Mutarika sama bit already to go biba. I'm a bit. Chakwera said already to go biba. I'm a bit. Chakwera come for not, oh no, I'm feeling hot. Sat to sub. I'm a bit of sub. Kwa Chakwera to suffer, I'm afa. Kwa Peter to suffer, I'm afa. Same as in I lost my mom. So we are all the same in the eyes of God. So I want to say it in a spiritual way so that you people understand. When somebody have money, you look pam 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 pam. Someone who don't have money like me, like I don't have money, but I am rich because that's what I confess. There's power in my tongue. I can't confess poverty. No. I will not do that. I am rich positive. I am rich. Because even that Bible, even in not let the poor say we are rich, is trying to tell us, Kuti, the power of your words can shape your life. Yes. So me, as you see me, I am beautiful with my dimples, positive, rich, with positivity. That's what I confess. So when you look at them with their faces, you can see Kuti, you can see Kuti umbava ndume no mabanga confess. Because you see nothing good. You don't see anything good, though, do you? Look at their faces, though. Because I've been in different lives. Zodiac, 360, people are asking, in a physical way, I don't comment, but I understand in a spiritual way. You get my point? I understand is many you are Japanese. Now the point here is that you didn't Amalawi. Muma figa pongo tuko na sasa yes say way tasanka no. Pama wamuzivutika mkomaso wa nchitu. Pamene wina wake amayankulu chine chake cha nzeru for you to listen a little bit, for you to get something to understand. Mumvesere kunena kuti if we can't fight corruption, amene akubwera is gonna be hard. Mumvesere. We need to hold people accountable. That's number one. We need to put things in action. We wait when they promise us we're gonna provide nchito for you. Hey, 1 million jobs. They're not going to give you work. But as youth, we have to provide the work. How do we do it? Panopo pa social media, Mark Zuckerberg. Ndani nakale tu, panopo pa social media. Mwino wake wa panopo, Papa Mark. Papa Mark has provided, this is work. What I'm doing here is a job. I've not seen, it's only in my life, I mean, you understand? But it's work. Wabanga provide kwa every country that is monetized. So in yonga timuli a youth, uli konda ntsikulano. You will not sit in kumangolo wako office ku Standard Bank mukayangana nchito. Mukatero uyo mupita ku polisi ya. Muli pa social media pano mumangu ika makomenti utukwana. Makomenti usakhala bwino. No. What you will do? What you will do? You will find out. Kodi amena mkulu wa social media kumalawi ni ndani. Inuyo sambana as a concerned youth. Peter ni mukamuuzi kuti ya inuyo takupanga ni contact ndimu na kwa Facebook as in representing this country. Mwauza pange monetize siku linoro. Ena fetima lipida misonko. Ma content amene tikupanga is a pain. Is pain. Tikuendeleka kunena kuti tiyambe kumatani million jobs akunena aja ndiati. I mean, so you'll be having something. Not is akupanga Suleimanizi nduwa ndale ye nduwa MCB. Kumango kala atafuna azisaka kuti nindana yanklozula quick nindana. You can't close people to put their opinion. That's what you swear to save Malawians. Who will tell you manyako? Who will tell you chisiriwe? Who will tell you what? But then there are people who will come and talk. Take the good from those people. Excuse me. You take the good from those people. That's what you do. Otherwise, inayonda kuza ndili ndipwete. Chifukwa ndifuna mavoti wa akatha chile chili chose. So I want to bring back history. I will bring back history for the generation, this 4 generation from from the generation from my generation going up, for them to understand. They must not do the same mistakes. We don't need the very same mistakes that has been there over years. That's why people are failing to fight corruption. So I will bring history. We're going to start talking history from Kamuzu. What Kamuzu did, and the do's and the don'ts, and what it was supposed to be done. Kamuzu was supposed to be held accountable on what and what. Then it is Africa tawi ya bagini mludzi. Kena kutawi ya bingu. Tika ati ukamba history cha kuti muinvestese. Tikamaya nkula kunena kuti, excuse me. Tikamaya nkula kunena kuti anthu andaliwa ndi anthu oyipa mitima. I want you to understand. Kunena kuti tikunena dizoona. Failure to hold them accountable. The 4th generation is going to continue suffering. And ineyo ndi kumaseka. Because ambiri, you are just overexcited. You just want to change a leader. Changing a leader is not the problem of Malawi as a country. Changing a leader, here is the thing. Many Malawians don't know. My leader, that's why you still want Peter Omuthalika. Peter Omuthalika, let me tell you this. Pa umuntu olumina mmene kuliri kunoko ku America. Kumapitiriza be muntu amene uchamufuna mwampasa kuti azigwira ntchito. Aliko ina amapanga out of kufuna, and is part of exercise they want to do. Komano mmene alilipita ku Malawi ndi pa malamulo athu ndi kumuzuza. Ni nthawi yoti amene kadyerere pension yake. That's the truth about it. And inali nthawi yonena kuti he can just appoint Nyamata ndi kumamuphunzitsa the dues. Kuti for you to help Malawians, this is what you do. You get my point, but you have seen kuti Nyamata ake ndi amenewa. Nankhumwa anachoka kwa segula chipate chake. Uyu ndani Chilima anachoka naye ndikukayamba pati yake. Why? Anthu aliyense akufuna kukhala pa mpando. Aliyense akufuna kukhala leader. That's the problem. Excuse me, you understand? So, if you ask me, ineyo ndikuuza ndikunena kuti Nyamata have to understand. Kunena kuti whosoever you are bringing in power, they should know they are there to save Malawians. They must not abuse the powers of their offices by kugondera one side. No. They must not promote tribalism. No. They must be held accountable. They must understand that nobody is above the law. They must understand that policing, they are there for every citizen. Olumala uja wamamina, ajali kundende aja. We are all human. That's what we call respect humanity. You are respecting humanity. By understanding you are not above the law, people just choose you so that you can represent them. That's why you make them to swear. What do they swear? They swear to save Malawians. But does that happen in Malawi? If you can see over years, that doesn't happen. They swear while they lie. And they claim to know God. And they claim to say it's a God-fearing country. You lie by touching the Bible. I'm going to swear Malawians. Yet you stand and say, yet you are a leader. You lied, but yet you swear with the Bible. You swear with the Bible that you're going to save Malawians. And akabwera mulomwe olo akabwera wakukacha kwako nchewa, then you wepa mene pachai chimweme uku kama kusiku ngambu mpaka uku. Why? Because it's your tribe. Abwere want to do ina you are not a leader. You're not fit to be a leader. So whosoever is coming, we must understand to work together as youth to hold these people accountable. I will already give you an example. We already have an example. The youth of Malawi, what do we need? We already have like a revolution in Malawi, but nobody want to understand and see it. The time that Mavenda anadzuka ndikupanga ma demonstrations, kunalibe wachi kwanje amene anapita ukapanga stop. Nobody. Amenaja consider them number one revolution. Kutanthauza kunena kuti when we hear kunena kuti kwatuluka whistleblower like mmene anatulukira Alexius Kamagira, like mmene anatulukira Martha Chizuma, akuti judiciary into yokuba kwachula maina akuti if they are in that office amene aja mavenda aja plus my youth kutengana ndikupita ukaseka office manager. That's what is supposed to be done. Tikufuna akuti atuluke atule pasi window, because mind you, we have the youth amene akungokhala ndi ma certificate akukanika kugwira ntchito because of anthu okuba amenewa. Let us appoint my youth amene ajapita kalowemo. We want people that will bring justice to dziko. I live by history. I am going to remind you, John Musa anamangidwa, anagwidwa ngati lero, akuti anampeza ndi mauje majani. Matumba atatu kaya achamba, anampeza ndi matumba atatu achamba. Atamugwira John Musa tifuna ndikuuzeni. Why when anthu amene amapanga parade ya John Musa atandipeza kuti we are doing a parade, do you want to join? I said yes. Anandifusa kwa chacha ninauza kuti I have my reasons why I'm going to join. Because ndinawo ndisene makhani concrete evidence, I still have them. There is a Nigerian guy amene anamugwira ndi cocaine. Amene uja Nigeria uja anampasa fine. Later on they deported him kwa kumapita. Kunali in South African anamugwira ndi truck ya chamba, anamulipirisa 1.5 million, anamusiya kumapita. Kunali Lebanese amene anamugwira anamuza kuti apereke 100,000 o else akagwira 9 months kundende. Kunali ndani oseaja anthu obwera. Now this is ka youth kanyamata ka dziko la Malawi. Anango kagwira ngati lero 2-3 days 4 amuchaja kale amasonga akwamwire fachani ndo sauka chifukwa chani alibe drama zoti angapange bribe. That's why I was in that parade. You will not treat Malawians like that and put anthu obwera pasogolo. Ife tili maiko akunja, but I tell you kunena kuti anthu awo amayika pasogolo. Ife also pa humanity amatisamala mena kusamalira anthu awo ngati tili ndizo ziyenerera. Ndizimene mukuyeneka muzichita Amalawi. I'll give you an example. Ujena adakali kundende uko Dave anaomberedwa ndi Lebanese. Koma Davio anamangidwa for 3 years. But I tell you kuti Davio ngani yake mutayimvesera spiritually, even anthu opemphera mwana amene uja namulakwira Davio wasiva ndende zitatu munthu osalakwa anali mlonda wa Lebanese. Koma kuti muone Lebanese ali ndi drama, obviously kunakaenda chinyengo. Posta chedwa pa Nigeria unaonge kulilongwe galu wake analuma amayi ena ake. Apolisi kumaita kuwauza amayi inuye ingovomera na kwase 500,000 chifukwa kani ithi kagonera Nigeria ndo ndalama. Are you kidding me? We don't need that. Apolisi may you have failed Malawi, and that's the truth about it. You don't want us to remind you. I can remind you. Me vice president atafela uchikakawako munapangidwa stop. And inuyo you are the people that sweared. Kunena kuti muzagwira ntchito munthawi ina iliyonse. Mvula wano mvula, chifungo wano chifungo. That's what you say. But you failed Malawians on the 10th June. A police, I cannot say, time without number. Many people that have sent to police, they send them back. You are failing Malawians when you see they are poor, when you see there is no money for bribe. You promoting Katangani. You promoting Cuba. If we can investigate army, investigate police, if God can come on the throne, I'm telling you, men are going to be in jail. Trevor, talk about Kwame. Kuliwa amena na muyamisa chogodzira mwana. Nkani meni inaponderedu. We're not going to live like that. And we are not going to introduce this crazy shit of stupidity of behavior to the 4th generation that is coming. Everyone should be held accountable. That's what we are talking about. You should know what you are fighting for. Or somebody, no, no, you have the right to say that, but you have to understand when you put them in power, you have to hold them accountable. That's what we are talking about. Musamango tunga, kutiwangwa, no. Learn to hold them accountable. They don't have the right to abuse the powers of their offices. That's what we're talking about. It's a simple thing to do. Inuyo mulipo magulu ambiri onena kuna kuti mumaona kuti papa ine mbale wangai ndo wamboma waononga, but you take money chimwene wangai sindifuna kumangidwa. You are the first people amene mumapezeka kuti mukumupa chimwene wanuja, because chimwene wanu amene ucha chimene chichaza pangaso, kaya ndi chimwene wanu kaya ndi chimwali wanu. Mwaona anyamata jana mangisa sister wawo ucha kuuche anyamata ku South Africa awiri nake, excuse me, anyamata awiri ku South Africa amanga manyumba kumantumizira nchemwali wawo ndalama. Nchemwali wawo uja anaja source. Anyamata ajatabwira, they hold their sister accountable. As I'm talking to you, that woman is in jail, charged his own biological brothers. Yes. And I clapped for them. I said, well done. You know why? That's what is supposed to be done in this life. When you take somebody's sweat, you have to be held accountable. Simple. Nchimwene wanu ka nchimwene wanu wabangachola kwa inuyo ndi anduna ka ndindani, you don't have the right to bribe. Let koti lipange chilungamo ngati walakwa apite kuntende. Akamatuluka, that person will be a changed person. It's a simple thing. Malawi can be fixed within a minute if we can just understand. God is talking to us Malawians, but we are not listening. Amalawi simumva. Pano magundika ma social media. Nyamukani muzipita. Tango pakina ni muzipita. Agangolowa awamui walako mwemba zintuzano. Awayamba relaxi. Ayamba kudenga. You will not hold them accountable. Let us have a strategy. Let us plan. What do we want them to do? Let them do the right thing for Malawians. The real Malawians that are suffering. Including enanu makam comment section mumulo teeth brush mulibe koma kumango tukwana. When somebody is trying to make sense to you, kutitatie nusamango tukwana, what we want is these people to be held accountable. Simple. My member of parliament actually do what they're supposed to live in their communities. Ngati misewili yono ngeka azidusa mumwemo, that's when they can fix it, because their communities trusted them. Njantu amena makantukwanisa president aja ameni wao. Because they're the ones that are representing their community in parliament. They're the ones who are supposed to live in the world where they have been chosen. But we don't hold them accountable to that. Amati sisi ngateke zimene zozo chifukwa apeneka kukhala ku Lilongwe house this and that. I don't give a shit. You want to fix your communities, it starts with that member of parliament. Ama pasidwa water development fund. Ama pasidwa 10% to build the community from community development fund. CDF. They have to live there. Let them build their houses there and live there. When we practice that, I'm telling you, you will see riches. You will see Malawi changing. But all this drama that is happening, when you're looking at them fighting, oh, they need the electrician, the what? They are fighting to come in government. Kupitiriza kuba, that's what they are fighting. Zimene zicha, musaiwali. Ndiye muzikumbukira kunena kuti mukabweresa, we need to hold them accountable. Tikamva kunena kuti ku road traffic ku okuba tiye nijipite kumene kucha, it's the power, it's the youth, 100 years to come and hose wawa achakwerawa apita kuzakhala kulibe enafet zakhala takalamba mwina sukulibe. But then the fourth generation ikale ndi ubwino oti takonza. Everything is okay. Everyone is managing to buy sugar, to buy chimanga, to buy what. So let us think. And as many of my friends